Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nisa Listia Safira. Now I would like to present about analyzing English course book for junior high school. This book is arranged systematically based on revised 2013 curriculum edition for 7th grade students. The identity of books, title, Practice Your English Competence, author Nur Zaida, editor Tias Utami and Dwi Wahyu Priyanto, publisher Erlangga, printing PT Gelora Aksara Pratama. So this is the cover of book, and like this. Next is table of content. Chapter 1, greeting, leave taking, thanking, applauding. Chapter 2, introduction. Chapter 3, telling time, days, months. Chapter 4, thing around me. Chapter 5, lovely things. Chapter 6, what do you usually do? Chapter 7, descriptive text. This is the table textbook evaluation based on Cunning-Words model. Criteria of Cunning-Words model are aims and approach. This book is suitable. Design and organization. This book is not suitable. Language content suitable. Skills not suitable. Topics suitable. Methodology suitable. Teacher's book, and this is book does not teacher's book. And next is practically consideration is suitable. And next is the explanation about table textbook evaluation based on Cunning-Words model. First is aim and approaches. Each material present contain a description of the text elements such as social functions, text structures, and linguistic elements. The material in this book can help improve student skills both verbally and in writing. This book is good for students as a learning source because all the material has been adapted in revised 2013 curriculum edition. Students can apply the material on daily life that it make easier to achieve learning goals. Setiap material yang disajikan membuat uraian tentang unsur-unsur teks seperti fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan. Materi di dalam buku ini dapat membantu meningkatkan keterampilan siswa baik secara lisan maupun tulisan. Buku ini baik untuk siswa sebagai sumber belajar karena semua materi telah disesuaikan dengan kurikulum 2013 edisi revisi. Siswa dapat menerapkan materi dalam kehidupan sehari-hari sehingga mempermudah belajar untuk mencapai tujuan pembelajaran. And next is design and organizations. Based on this criteria, the book is categorized as not suitable because there are several sub-criteria that unfulfilled. In this book, the publisher has only students' book to facilitate the learning process, and this book does not support listening skill activity. Therefore, a teacher must provide a manual listening skill activity sessions. The activities that students can do in this book are reading to understand the text, writing by completing each part of the text, and speaking, which is supported by a dialogue text. In addition, this textbook does not attractive because the color just black and white. Berdasarkan kriteria ini, buku dikategorikan sebagai tidak sesuai karena ada beberapa subkriteria yang tidak terpenuhi. Dalam buku ini, penerbit hanya memiliki buku siswa untuk mempermudah proses pembelajaran, dan buku ini tidak mendukung kegiatan keterampilan listening. Oleh karena itu, seorang guru harus menyediakan sesi kegiatan listening secara manual. Kegiatan yang dapat dilakukan siswa dalam buku ini adalah membaca untuk memahami suatu teks, menulis dengan melengkapi setiap bagian teks, dan berbicara yang didukung oleh teks dialog. Selain itu, buku ajar ini kurang menarik karena warna hanya hitam dan putih. And next is language content. From the result of the analysis based on criteria for language content, English books are included in the suitable category because the grammar material present is easily understood by students. Sample sentences make it easier for students to understand the meaning of the text. This section contains explanation and description of the concept and linguistic rules. For students who wants to study at home can be easily understand it by following the rules and instruction in this book. In activities, pronunciation, students listen to the teacher that gave an example how to pronounce and intonation praise based on the existing topic then followed by student. And this is the example of language content on this book. Dari hasil analisis berdasarkan kriteria isi bahasa, buku bahasa Inggris termasuk dalam kategori sesuai karena materi grammar yang disajikan mudah untuk dipahami oleh siswa. Kalimat yang sederhana memudahkan siswa untuk memahami makna dari teks tersebut. Bagian ini berisi tentang penjelasan dan uraian tentang konsep dan kaidah kebahasaan. Bagi siswa yang ingin belajar di rumah dapat dengan mudah memahaminya dengan mengikuti aturan dan petunjuk dalam buku ini. Dalam kegiatan pronunciation, siswa mendengarkan guru yang memberikan contoh cara melafalkan dan intonasi phrase berdasarkan topik yang ada, kemudian diikuti oleh siswa. And then skills. Skills criteria are categorized as not suitable. This book contains 3 skills. There are speaking, reading, and writing. But in this book, there is not native speaker listening activities. Maybe publisher can use CD for listening section. Therefore, a teacher plays an important role in speaking and listening activities. In the section of expression asking for information, the teacher must guide and give example how to pronounce the sentence on the table. For example, in the chapter 2 about introductions. Kriteria skills dikategorikan tidak sesuai. Buku ini berisi 3 keterampilan, yaitu berbicara, membaca, dan menulis. Tapi dalam buku ini tidak ada kegiatan untuk listening dari penutur asli. Oleh karena itu, seorang guru memegang peran penting dalam kegiatan speaking and listening. Pada bagian asking for information, guru harus membimbing dan memberikan contoh cara melafalkan kalimat yang ada pada gambar tersebut. And next is topic. In this book, there are 7 chapters, and each chapter has a different topic. The topics used in this book are very familiar, interesting, and easy to understand by students because the material discussed is very related to their daily life and can help develop students' knowledge. Dalam buku ini terdapat 7 bab dan setiap bab memiliki topik yang berbeda. Topik-topik yang digunakan dalam buku ini sangat familiar, menarik, dan mudah dipahami oleh siswa karena materi yang dibahas sangat berkaitan dengan kehidupan sehari-hari dan dapat membantu mengembangkan pengetahuan siswa. And now is methodology. This book has been designed in such a way that students will be fully involved to increase the opportunities for active students in discovery learning, namely observing, questioning, experimenting, associating, and communicating. Buku ini dirancang sedemikian rupa sehingga siswa akan terlibat secara penuh untuk meningkatkan kesempatan siswa aktif dalam pembelajaran discovery learning, yaitu mengamati, menanyakan, bereksperimen, menegosiasi, dan mengkomunikasikan. Teacher's Book. The 7th grade English textbook Practice Your English Competence does not have a teacher's book. This is the one of the weakness of this book published by Nurzaida Erlangga, because if there is a teacher's book, it is very easy for the teacher to implement this book in the class properly and appropriately. Buku guru, buku teks bahasa Inggris ini kelas 7 Practice Your English Competence tidak memiliki buku guru. Inilah salah satu kelemahan buku terbitan Nur Zaidah dari Erlangga. Karena jika ada buku guru, sangat mudah bagi guru untuk mengimplementasikan buku ini di kelas dengan baik dan tepat. Political consideration. This textbook suitable the criteria for political consideration. The price of this book is 48,000, which means it is very affordable for teacher and students. This book is very easy to find. We can get it at bookstore or online shop. Buku ini dikategorikan sesuai. Harga buku ini adalah 48.000 yang artinya sangat terjangkau bagi guru dan siswa. Buku ini sangat mudah ditemukan. Kita bisa mendapatkannya di toko buku atau online shop. So that's all the explanation of the result that I have analyzing English course book. Practice showing this competence this book for junior high school. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.